Versa is a platform that allows users to invest in a wide range of assets, including cryptocurrencies, stocks, and exchange-traded funds, providing a simple interface for diverse investment options. Here's how you can get started with investing in Versa. Download the Versa app. Start by downloading the Versa app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account by entering your personal details and completing the KYC process for verification. Complete KYC. To ensure a secure investment experience, you will need to complete KYC by uploading necessary documents, such as your identity proof and address proof. Deposit funds. Once your account is verified, deposit funds into your Versa account via a bank transfer, UPI, or other accepted methods. Ensure your account has sufficient funds for your investments. Browse investment options. After funding your account, explore the investment options on Versa, which may include stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrency assets. Versa also offers curated portfolios for diversified investment. Make your investment. Choose the asset class you wish to invest in, enter the amount you want to invest, and confirm the transaction. Monitor your investment. After investing, track your portfolio's performance and make adjustments as necessary.